Hi guys, let's play Roblox. I'm gonna jump in here. Jump. Jump. Sorry guys, that is just the ads. I couldn't control my Roblox because that is just the ads. Don't mind the ads. Because my phone has ads now. In my other videos, I have no ads. Because my phone has ads. Wait guys. Jump. Let's go with the pink. Oh, not the pink. Blue. Oh, I need to change my mind. What color is it? Yay! The bacon is in here. Yes, I love it. Jump. Wait, guys, I'm gonna AFK. Now I'm gonna play. Drive. Climb. Sorry guys, that is just the ads. Because my phone has ads. Don't mind the ads, please. Sorry guys, that is just the ads. Don't mind the ads. Guys, I couldn't control it. Oh. Be careful this time. Oh, guys, my phone has ads every day. That bacon's just cheating. Bye. You didn't wait for me, bacon. Oh. The bacon is cheating. Ikaw na ng bacon. Oh, ito. Dang it. That bacon is just cheating. Bye, bacon. Bye. See you at the finish line. Guys, I mean to bacon. Only once. I like bacons. Not toxic. I hate bacons at once. I love bacon at once. If they annoys me, I'm gonna hate them. If they kind to me, bye. Bye. Sorry guys, that is just the ads. My phone has ads. I don't want to play that. I'm just a noob. I have no Robux. When I hit 1k subs, I want to have Robux. Sorry guys, that is just the ads. Don't mind the ads. I'm gonna be the noob. Yeah, I'm gonna be the noob. Noob, that mood. Yay, I'm here. Just gonna walk. I know this. When I'm a noob in Bacon, I don't know what to do. Now I know what to do. Because my cousin Kia teach me how to play Roblox. That's the reason why I love playing Roblox. Don't mind that. Oof. Just walking. Jump. I'm here. Just jump in this laser. There's no laser. There's a laser. Jump. 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 Guys, I live in Philippines, not Russia, or UK, or America, or Philippines. I just speak English, but you know the language. Because I need to say English in my video. Sorry guys, that's just the ad. In my next video, I'm gonna speak Tagalog. Wait guys, my phone is lagging. Oof. I'm just playing in my phone, not in my tablet. I have no tablet. Oof. Oof. Sorry guys, that is just the ads. Bacon, you're worse. Need to wait. Wait. Yo. Bacon, you're trapped. I'm the first, yay. There's a bacon that's so late to play. I'm gonna play it just to impress in my next videos. Sorry guys, that is just... Sorry guys, I'm off again. Oh. I just be brave. Oh no, a razor jump. Don't mind the music in my... Sorry guys. I'm here. Jump. Oof. I didn't see that. Sorry guys, that is just ads. Oh no. I don't need to play it. There's so many lasers. Nice, the ads. The ads keeping me slow.